Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make rice in the Instant Pot Mini using the rice button. I've measured out basmati rice in the plastic cup that comes with the Instant Pot Mini. The cup holds about 5.3 ounces or 150 grams. If you ever lose the plastic cup, you can replace it with a standard US 3/4 dry cup measure. This is a 1 cup dry measure, and you can see I've put the rice that I measured out in the plastic cup, and this is just about 3/4. Before I cook rice, I wash it 3 times in water and drain the water. You see the water is cloudy, pour out this water, replace with clean water, and do this 3 times. Make sure the bottom of the inner steel pot is dry. The heating element is in the bottom of the base. Put the pot in the base, put the rice in. According to Instant Pot, the ratio of rice to water is 1:1 for this white rice. And you can use the same plastic cup to measure the dry rice and the water. I like my rice well cooked, so I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra water. With most rice cookers and pressure cookers, I find that little extra bit of water makes the perfect rice. Put the lid on, plug in the unit, turn the handle to sealing, and we're just going to press the rice button. There's no adjusting the time or pressure with the rice button. It's completely automatic. A few seconds after you press the rice button, on will be displayed. The unit is preheating. Now the unit's reached full pressure and the time is displayed at 13 minutes. That took a little over 6 minutes. You can see the float valve has come up all the way, which means full pressure has been reached. The display's counting down. Now the cooking cycle has finished and it's gone into keep warm mode. We can press cancel. With rice, it's best to use the natural release method. So we'll wait for the float valve to go down and then open the lid. When you press the rice button, the default is 10 minutes. However, after pressure is reached, you saw the countdown time started at 13 minutes. So the Instant Pot will adjust the time according to how much food you have in the pot, how much liquid you have in the pot, to cook the rice correctly. The float valve dropped down, meaning all the pressure's been released. Now we can open the lid. That took about 8 minutes. So between the time it took the Instant Pot to reach full pressure, cook the rice, and for the pressure to be released, the total time was about 26-27 minutes. Always stir the rice to distribute any moisture. The rice is cooked perfectly. There's no burnt rice. Nothing is really stuck to the bottom. Because this is a steel pot, you will see a little bit of white stickiness on the bottom. That's easily cleaned out when you soak this in hot water. If this was a non-stick pot, of course there would not be any of that. Most people prefer a stainless steel pot for pressure cooking. They don't have to worry about the Teflon coating coming off, the type of utensil to use to stir the food, and the stainless steel pot, of course, lasts a lot longer than non-stick pots. To clean after the pot cools down, just soak it in hot soapy water, wash it off, and dry it. The pot and all accessories are top rack dishwasher safe. If you want to try out this Instant Pot Mini, I've put a link in the description below. So you saw how simple it is to use the rice button to cook your rice in the Instant Pot Mini. Put in the rice, water, and forget about it. There's nothing to check on. It just cooks the rice automatically. And you end up with perfect rice. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see more reviews and recipes. I will be doing a few other recipes in the Instant Pot Mini, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.